How to track your carbon footprint with HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see how your HelloFresh meals impact the environment, well, in today's video, I'll show you how to track your carbon footprint using the HelloFresh mobile app. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the account icon at the bottom right and then select settings or sustainability. And there you simply have to look for the section labeled carbon footprint or environmental impact or something similar. And there you can see detailed stats on how your meal choices reduce carbon emission compared to traditional grocery shoppings. And their HelloFresh also offers tips and suggestions on choosing meals with a smaller carbon footprint. And that's it. That's how you can track your carbon footprint with HelloFresh. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.